Welcome back to the channel, man. Crypto Tro. I am Crypto Tro, bringing you the latest and the greatest in cryptocurrency. And today, man, we're going to talk about the new forms on VVS Finance. And yes, some new forms on there. They just updated the form. So we're going to talk about them and look at the APRs and see how we can earn some rewards on our crypto tokens and, just earn a passive income in crypto. We always been talking about DeFi. I always, got the Web 3.0 series as well. So, I really want to just show the available pools where you can just earn some money. And yesterday, man, I made a video about VVS Finance, and I see we have some VVS fanatics, man. I understand that. I completely understand it because I'm invested in VVS too. And I just want to say that I'm not selling my VVS. That was not the point. I'm also impatient. I'm also patient, but I feel like everybody has a role in the crypto space. We as the community, we want to, of course, push the developers and put the project out there in a good word, and really put the project out there on the forefront and just let everybody see us and really invest in the project. But the developers also have a job as well, and that's to continue to find new ways to bring in more holders and also keep the people who are already there. And I feel like with that, you have to be innovative with the projects. And I'm not saying that they aren't innovative, like the IGO, that's very innovative. But it's other projects that are doing the same on different blockchains and with cheaper fees. So what's going to stand VVS apart? Now we know VVS has a lot of liquidity and it's a lot of people already connected to the crypto.com ecosystem. And that's one of the reasons and one of the pros in my eyes. And that's one of the pros that I would say that VVS has. But you always, like I say, you always got to weigh the pros and cons. And like I said, right now, the pros are outweighing the cons, but I would like to see innovation. That's all I was saying. Man, don't feel attacked. I feel you. I understand y'all love VVS and I'm invested as well, but just being an investor, I want to be realistic as well. And I'm not going to just be in a liquidity pool until everything goes down. All the rewards are out of the pool and it's no innovation being created. But like I said, they always are updating new forms. So we're going to get into that. I just had to give you that little spiel, just let you know I'm on your side, guys. I'm not going against you. I'm not trying to put foot on the project, but I do want to have a responsibility. And I do feel like I should tell everybody who's already subscribed to my channel that, what's the risk and what's the pros and the cons to this project. So that's enough for that spiel. And also, man, make sure you follow me on Twitter. You can get, direct dialogue, on Twitter, and make sure you like and subscribe to the YouTube channel. I appreciate everybody for tuning in. Let's get straight into it. VVS Finance. So VVS Finance, man, we see the price today is 0.0005, less than a penny. We see prices also down 3%. Prices down 3%. And, that's kind of normal right now, just because I feel like everybody is gonna just doing a little sell off, just trading on the platform. But it's so much liquidity on VVS, and I'm gonna also show you how you can make money, on VVS with these different pools. So, but we see right now market cap is at 120 million, down 3%. The fully diluted market cap is at 5.2 billion, down 3%, and the volume is up 23% with a $6.4 million volume. And if we go down the chart, we see on the 7-day, we've been just kind of just going down right now, but that's okay, man. We're still in a good position, especially if you are in liquidity pools or if you are in different mines. So it's really different when you're doing DeFi because you don't necessarily have to worry about everyday price. Price can drop just because you're making your money on the downside as well. In DeFi, they give you these ridiculous APR starting off, and you can make your money on the downside, but you don't want to watch it go to zero, of course. But like I said, VVS has so much liquidity on it right now that I'm not fearing a rug or anything like that. It's just the price just continues to go down because they aren't capturing you know, the investors or the community's intention or making them want to hold VVS for a long term. So that's just my little spiel on that. But like I said, I wanted to get into the different pools that they just announced, man. So VVS just announced a Crow and Tonic pool. So that's something that I'm really kind of bullish on, man, that Crow and Tonic. Just because that Crow, I'm very bullish on Crow as crypto in general. Like, I'm just bullish on Crow. I hold Crow. And then Tonic, we know that's the first money market on the Chronos blockchain. We know sometimes money markets are tricky, but right now Tonic is up. So I believe that would be one of those liquidity pools that you can get into, and it's going to kind of be sort of stable. I would say, just not too much, but like it just depends on where you get in as far as with the Tonic price. But with Crow is pretty much stable right now. I don't think it's gonna go down too much in the further. I really think it's gonna go up very soon. So that will be a good pool. Then they also have the Crow and Elon. So I'm not very familiar with the Elon token. I've been seeing it on blockchains, but I haven't done my research, so I really can't speak on that. I don't know if it's a meme token. I don't want to say just because I don't know what it is. I don't know the use case for it. But that is a pool that they are launching as well on the Crystal Farms. And I want to just, check out the APRs, man. So we want to go to earn on the VVS Finance and then go down the farm. So we want to scroll down. So far, we see the Crow and Elon is currently at 159% APR with $438,000 in that specific pool. So a lot of people wasn't just too much attracted to that pool. I see. Like I said, I really don't know what Elon is, so I can't speak on that. But the Crow and Tonic, man, we see that's all the way down to 10% APR, and it's $20 million in that specific pool, man. So that Crow and Tonic is really doing some numbers right now. It's $20 million in there, and that was literally at the beginning of today. So like I said, crypto.com, well, not the crypto.com, but the Chronos blockchain and VVS is attracting a lot of money onto the platform. That's why I'm so bullish on it, because they are attracting money at fast amounts, $20 million already, and it just pretty much went live. So like I said, that pool is something that I will be interested in. Not saying that I'm going to put it in there today, although it is only 10% right now. We know that Crow and Tonic is pretty much one of those projects both of those projects are gonna be around on the Chronos blockchain. So that's just an easy way to, pretty much kind of, I won't say it's stable, but it's one of the most stable pairs if you're just looking at tokenomics and all the things surrounding those projects. That would be one of the safest forms to get into. And also we see that Crow and Atom. So Crow and Atom, that's another pool that I would say is kind of a safe pool to get into, just because both of those projects I project to continue to go up and just do major things in the crypto space, man. So VVS has, different pools on there that you can get into and really make some money on, man. And, just make your VVS and do whatever you want with it and, go about it like that. And we also, when we go to the mines, we can see, we still got the auto VVS, which is 222% APY. Then a manual VVS as well, which is 919%. Then you can earn Tonic at 152% APR. So you can earn Tonic by staking VVS, and also you can earn Beefy by staking VVS. And I'm not sure if they're still doing it. Like previously in the white paper, we can go to the docs. This is where you are able to view the white paper. I went over this in my other video, but somebody left a comment, so I want to make sure I show the white paper just for you. So in the white paper, they said the IGO, to participate in the IGO, you will have to, where did it go? So the IGO basics, really, So pretty much in order to participate, you will have to stake 1 million VVS in a glitter mines for at least 7 days prior to the IGO. And then you will have to get VVS and Crow LP tokens, which will be needed to purchase the new token. But it's looking very different on the platform just because I feel like this could be considered technically an IGO. You know, I mean, because I'm pretty much staking VVS to earn Tonic or staking VVS to earn Beefy. I'm not saying it's not necessarily an IGO, but it pretty much is the same thing. I mean, unless they have higher APRs, but help me understand it. Let me know if I'm saying it wrong. But that's pretty much the same thing as the IGO. Like if I'm earning Tonic by staking VVS, I'm participating in the IGO or, you know, a raising of some sort, you know, or at the end of the day, I'm earning that specific crypto. So that's my thesis on that. I don't necessarily know if they're still going to make you do that for the future IGO that they're doing. For the single finance, I'm not sure if they are still doing that 1 million VVS in the mines. I'm not sure, but so far, no, they've been going this specific route. So that's my video for today, man. Just want to give an update on the new pools on VVS Finance. You know, you can earn a passive income by creating liquidity pools on there. And also just give an update on VVS itself, man. So I'm Crypto Tro. That's my video for today. Make sure you follow me on Twitter, Tro_crypto, and also like and subscribe to the YouTube channel. I appreciate everybody for tuning in. I'm out of here.